Hello, Rams fans. Assistant coach John Anderson here. Get down on that dirt. Feeling very large as usual. I've grown a few inches in my old age. At 35, I hit a growth spurt, you know. Realize the way I hit it, Reggie, is I stand on a higher ground than everyone else.
Yeah.
How tall are you?
7'7".
That's good, man. Caught me by surprise a little bit. Little Dikembe Mutombo over here, huh? You know who Mutombo is?
Yeah, the basketball player.
Basketball player. You know what he did when he blocked all the shots? You remember?
No.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what we're going to say this weekend when somebody throws a curveball, right?
Hit it out, say no.
Yes.
No.
All right. Rams fans, we're started getting long-winded again. Here with David Goggin and Reggie Rodriguez, both here last year for the conference tournament. I had Cameron and Bass on yesterday. They didn't know what to expect. I think they're fully expecting to win, but the conference tournament. What did you guys see as things that were different in the conference tournament rather than the regular season last year?
Well, I would say last year in the conference tournament, anything could happen. That was kind of true for us, where went in, Kingsville had beat us a couple times during the regular season, and then we came in and handed it to them in the first round. So anything can happen, and just like Coach Brooks has been saying, baseball gods are going to be with us. The percentages are with us this weekend.
That is true. We've lost a lot of close ball games the teams were playing, and do you see that as an advantage, or is that like a mind over matter thing where you got to get it out of your head?
I feel like we should throw it away. Whatever happened. But I see it as an advantage because they're going to be like, oh, we already beat them. So they're going to be thinking it's an easy game, and that's when we're going to come back and do work.
Okay, what kind of work are you going to do by yourself this weekend, Reggie?
I'm going to make sure I catch fly balls so they don't hit me in the forehead again.
Did you really get hit in the forehead last weekend?
Right here on the side.
Reggie.
Don't ask me what happened. I don't know what happened.
Do your mom and dad watch these videos?
My dad?
Yeah.
No, but I told him, he started laughing.
Hey, Kevin, I am in the middle of an interview. Goodness gracious. I know you're the boss, but the Hefe, let the Plankman do his job over here. So you got hit in the forehead by a fly ball. Why didn't you use your glove?
I tried. I used half of it and the other half my forehead.
That's all. Have you ever gotten hit in the head by a ball?
Yeah, against you the other day in practice.
Board off his face. Now, I want you guys, did you guys get me out the other day?
I think one time you let us get you out.
Okay. Before the game on my interview, did you look at it?
No.
I'm going to let you get me out one time. So, Gogs, did you let me have that first hit?
Yeah, I kind of halved it there.
I kind of felt like it, but why did it hit you in the face then?
Just unathletic, NAF problems.
Yeah, I believe it. Well, Reggie, you're a good student. You really work hard in the classroom. What finals do you have left?
Nutrition and some care and prevention class.
Nutrition, and you're going to go run a gym with your brother after your baseball career is finished, correct?
Yes, sir.
So how is nutrition going to help you in that?
Oh, it's going to help me with everything. People think that it's just working out, but you also got to eat right. So
show them the guns, Reggie.
Nah.
Yeah.
I haven't worked out.
Hey,
I
Gogs,
3 weeks.
Lift your arm up and flex it. Okay.
22.
Yeah. So that's what everybody wants to see around here. All you ladies at Angelo State, they're shrinking a little bit. There may be 21s now. They're 21s. Now, Goggin, I'm going to go over to you. Reggie does work out a lot. Do you see yourself as a much stronger, physically fit man than Reggie?
No, I was already asking Reggie for his workouts this summer, trying to get on his level for next year.
I know he keeps getting tested, and I think it's that it's definitely not. What do you call that? Anonymous testing.
Yeah.
It's definitely not. When you see a dude that's swole and you test him once a week, that's garbage. So how much do you squat, Dave? I don't care about squatting. Anyway, Reggie, how much you bench?
405.
That's what I'm talking about. We're all about the bench and the curl, right?
Yeah, that's all about it.
Bench curl, maybe a little shoulder shrug.
That's all we need.
Yeah, baby. That's how we hit them out, right?
Yeah.
Show me your swing with just shoulders. Yep. That's what it looks like most of the time right there, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go to 4 words right away. Conference, championship, Rams, win. Go ahead.
The Rams are going to win the conference and go to the championship.
Boom. A+, just like in the classroom, son. Give me a little elbow.
I'll do it.
Yeah. All right, David. We're gonna go with ubiquitous, omnipotent, flatulence, and Schwartz.
Johnny Schwartz had ubiquitous flatulence, and it was, did you say omnipotent? Omnipotent. Yeah, I can't finish that one, Johnny. I'm going to take an F on that one.
You started out good.
Yeah.
What does omnipotence mean?
You tell me. You got me on that one.
All right. Just being all-knowing, like Reggie is, about swole. Rams fans, tune in this weekend and check these two stars out.